I didn't. No, it isn't mine. Yes, it has to see.
Okay, 1 more minute. I didn't want to touch it, Josh.
I could get right there.
Okay. Closet. Life jackets, coat. Safe. Closet. Bathroom number 1. Mine bathroom.
Slash laces.
Watch your step. Bathroom number 2. With a mirror. We got a bed. Got a bed. We got our TV.
Lily, we can watch TV whilst we're in bed.
Yeah. Mirror.
Me.
My bed.
Me.
Lacey's bed. Table. Outside.
And got.
I don't know
look
where
what
the
I got.
entrance is, but
pencil.
outside. Underbeds are suitcases. Suitcases. Our badges. And that's it.
Tell them to walk in and look at this our bunk bed.
Got it. So yeah.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
I do subscribe our channel. Turn on our channel.
Remember to hit the notification bell and give us a huge thumbs up.
Bam!
Bye guys!
Bye guys.